Oh.
This is terrifying.
This is insane. Oh my God. He's the fucking Joker, baby. It's a funny story. We met when they stopped me from shooting up the winter dance. If you can believe that.
Hey, can I borrow the last couple?
Tony have blonde hair?
Also, no, I thought that he was going gray.
6 months.
That wasn't Monty.
That was a different funeral. It's Mr. Porter.
He dies off screen.
He ate a bad salmon and he really had some problems and he died on a cruise. He was on a Carnival cruise. Mr. Porter. Uh-oh, Monty. No. Oh, he's gonna see him in the mirror. He's gonna see Monty right behind him. Oh! Wait, what the fuck is that thing?
I'm going to vomit. I'm going to vomit.
Horror movie, dude. That smile.
That damn smile.
Monty was framed.
Oh, the culprit's right there, still finishing it.
Yeah, he's finishing painting it.
The janitor is finishing.
Everything's
My penis was clanging around your vagina like the fucking dinner triangle.
Jesus.
Dinner time. Ding, 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 ding.
I can't.
You flicked on me 2 weeks in a row, so what's going on?
Tony is like honestly also one of the best actors. Like he's got a good
He's
vibe
Commissioner
going.
Gordon.
He's Commissioner Gordon. Or it's like Jess. No, it is a football player because he's wearing the jersey. If it's not a football player, it's really inappropriate to wear the jersey. To wear the jersey.
We've collected all of your phones.
We know we're setting you loose out into the woods, but we're going to take away your ability to communicate. If one of you gets stuck in a bear trap, too fucking bad.
We need to look.
Alex's dad is another chaperone.
Yeah, this is going to be real fun. The fucking chief of police is the chaperone on our fucking ship. Those fucking maggots? What the fuck is happening? What? He just... Oh my God!
God, it's Justin!
Holy shit!
It's Justin! That's Justin! I swear to God, Justin's a fucking werewolf.
No! Spiders just come out of his mouth? Oh my God! Oh, I can't fucking believe it!
I can't believe that Justin.
Spiders! It doesn't even feel real. It's just like
I feel like I'm dreaming.
I think that my idea of somebody dosing them scarecrow style is not far off.
Dax!
Oh my God, this is so great. It has to be somebody fucking with them.
Yeah, of course.
It's fucking Sherry. Back from college.
Sherry's back.
I'd really like to do that.
Tyler's like in a bikini with a sign. Round one. Oh. What the fuck? God, dude. Jessica, get a room.
But only Jessica.
Only Jessica. Jessica, get a room and sit there and think about what you've done.
We do not stand Jessica and Diego.
We do not stand Jessiego. Diesica.
Whose parents are low? Did you finish?
Oh my God. So embarrassing.
Oh, wait, that's so cute. Did you finish?
No, honey.
Hurricane Hannah!
Hurricane Hannah is barreling towards Liberty High School.
Go try something that might actually take the pain away.
He's been fucking drugging them, dude.
No way.
I swear he's the fucking scarecrow, brother. I've been calling it from the beginning. Winston's the scarecrow.
Monty's the Joker, Bryce is the Penguin, Clay is Robin.
And Zach is Catwoman.
Zach woman.
He was found by a patrol car.
Face down in an Outback parking.
She was covered in barbecue sauce.
We could not identify the level of mild or spicy.
Forensics is trying to figure out what kind of sauce.
Forensics is trying to figure out if it was barbecue, smoked,
Yeah. There was a blooming onion nearby. It's unclear if that was involved.
untouched.
Untouched.
Unclear if that was involved. Oh my God, my stomach.
They're just shooting that fucking thing everywhere.
Oh my God!
Bryce is a cowboy robot.
Bryce the fucking bounty hunter.
Look at Christ!
I can't fucking breathe.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. That's what I fucking like about
Now
Tyrese.
I'm so happy the school shooter's finding love.
The school shooter found love with his rapist sister.
Looks like there's someone under there blowing him.
It does. Oh, you rolled over. She's like, "Oh, you're choking me.
I can't.
You're choking me."
More than life.
Are you laughing at me?
Yes,
Why?
because you're a sweet little
I'm
sensitive
crying.
baby boy. Whole football team. Oh, all these pieces of shit. Focus. Look how crisp it is.
That's season 1.
She is not fucking there. That is a pushing of a season.
It looks
1.
like they torrented season 1.
It's gonna be Hannah and Justin in the clouds.
And then Bryce and Monty trying to get up there.
Bryce and Monty reaching for Justin's ankles and trying to pull him down to the underworld.